I started the firm approximately 20 years ago, and I decided that I wanted to have a practice that focused on clients and their needs, as opposed to focusing on what the partners I worked for wanted me to focus on. Each of the attorneys here at Schwartz Ettenger are very experienced in the areas of practice that they focus on, but they also have business experience. So I think that's very important with respect to representing clients.
I generally practice in the area of employment law and commercial litigation. So what I do is I help employers with their day-to-day needs, requirements, and obligations. I also litigate matters regarding wages, discrimination, sexual harassment, and a lot of other issues that come up from time to time with employer-related matters.
The matters that I focus on here are wills and trusts, probate. Everyone needs to do estate planning.
The practice areas that I focus on are primarily corporate transactional work, commercial real estate, and trusts and estates. The primary thing that differentiates Schwartz Ettenger from other firms is, number one, we're deal makers, not deal breakers. The thing I hear most from people who complain about the attorneys they're working with is that they bring them into a transaction and then the deal gets messed up.
I love working with people. I love being a resource for people. I like that people feel comfortable, and I like helping people solve their problems.
We help employers in all areas relating to their business. So we can help them draft employment agreements, draft severance agreements, draft partnership agreements, or operating agreements. If they have vendor issues, any third-party claims that might arise. I'm a litigator, so I can litigate any matter that an employer has relating to the operation of their business.
The different types of transactions we work on are mergers and acquisitions, employment agreements, shareholder agreements, as well as licensing and other agreements that relate to intellectual property. And as a business owner myself, I know what the concerns are of business owners. So I'm able to give them practical advice that they can utilize in connection with operating their business. And we try and simplify things rather than make them more complicated.
Everyone here is very, very involved in the work, and we work together to make sure that there is a collaborative approach to every problem that a client has.
It could be a very simple thing, it could be a very complicated thing. My goal is to help them navigate those issues so that they can do things correctly, avoid litigation, avoid problems, and get back to doing what they do best, which is to run their company and make money.
So all of the attorneys here at Schwartz Ettenger are focused on meeting the client's needs. We like to be available to our clients when they need us. We like to say we're readily accessible, and we have the experience that they need to be able to accomplish the results that they're looking for.
What I love most about being an estate planning attorney is being able to help people effectuate their goals.
What I love most about what I do is I like to help people. I like to help people solve their problems and be able to accomplish whatever goals it is that they have.